Hi everyone. 안녕하세요. We are going to learn about Korea today. 잠깐만요. share 해줄게요. screen. So let me introduce about Korea. The South Korea is an East Asian nation on the southern half of the Korean peninsula, shares borders with North Korea. So, so I write them down and introduce about Korea. So South Korea is right here. And then North Korea is here. And what about China? It's right here. And Japan. And India is right here. So I know so many Indian students want to learn about Korea and Korean language because recently India just announced that the Korean language will be their official second language in India. So I'm so glad that I can see many Indian students at awesomekpop.com. So yeah, if you want to have live conversation with me, just join awesomekpop.com. Search on Google awesome K-pop and you can see the www.awesomekpop.com. Okay, to communicate with me on the live online live platform. Okay, so I live in here, US, Los Angeles. So from here, where I leave to South Korea, it's gonna take 13 hours. And from India, I went to India 2 times, but I'm not sure how many hours because I didn't take the direct flight at the time. But it's not that far, right? Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's continue to learn about South Korea. Okay, so the country of the South Korea. Yeah, let me reshare the screen and okay. The South Korea is known for its green, hilly countryside dotted with the cherry trees, cherry blossom trees, so beautiful. Yeah, you can see the cherry trees with the centuries-old Buddhist temples. Yeah. Okay. So let me draw. Yeah. Look at the cherry blossom tree over here. And then you can see the temples, right? Yeah. Isn't that so beautiful? And also, here is the sea and the mountain at the same time. And then here's a village. And the road that people can commute. So it's unique to see the mountainside and the seaside at the same time, right? And also this photo is Jeju Island. Jejudo, so beautiful. You must visit Jeju Island. And Jeju Island is famous for yute flower. The yellowish yute flower, yute꽃. Yute꽃. Okay. And the climate there is like subtropical, like islands like Hawaii, so warm. And you must visit Jeju Island in your life. It should be on your bucket list, right? I heard a rumor that Michael Jackson really wanted to purchase the Jeju Island. It's so beautiful. Okay. Okay, high tech city as Seoul. This is a Seoul's photo, the capital. Capital. Yeah. Sorry about the spelling. And this is a Nam Mountain, Namsan, the Namsan Tower. And you can see high-tech buildings, apartments, and some, greenish trees. Yeah, it's unique. Ew, I love Seoul. Yeah. Okay, you must visit Seoul and Jeju Island, maybe Gangwon-do, and I think it's a east coaster road, so you need to visit there. Yeah. All right. Let's go to the next screen. So I want to talk about Korean national animal and plants. Okay. So Korean national animal is 진도덕, and then the national flower is 무궁화. 무궁화. Isn't it so cute? 진도덕. It has like triangle shape ears, and like curly wavy tail and the brownish color. And mugunghwa is a look at my finger, 5 petals. And it's a fuzzy color. Sometimes it's white. I love white mugunghwa. It looks so pure. Yeah. And the inside is fuzzy color, right? It's a 5 petal and they're connected to each other. So let me